Hello, I'm Héloïse Brion from Miss Maggie's Kitchen, and today I'm happy to share with you my mushroom and spinach lasagna recipe, which is perfect for the autumn season. Start by mincing garlic and chop the yellow onions. Put them in a skillet with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of fleur de sel. Cook gently for about 5 minutes to let the flavors develop. Prep your mushrooms. You'll need chanterelles, porcini, and oyster mushrooms. Roughly chop them so they hold their texture when cooked. Add them to the skillet, then stir in fresh thyme and rosemary. Sauté for 10 to 12 minutes until the mushrooms are tender and aromatic. In another pan, wilt baby spinach for 2 minutes with a splash of olive oil. Off the heat, mix it with ricotta cheese, half the toasted pine nuts, and some grated Parmesan. Season well with salt and pepper. Now let's assemble. Preheat your oven to 180 or 355 Fahrenheit. Start by spreading some ricotta mixture in a baking dish, then layer lasagna sheets, sautéed mushrooms, and shredded mozzarella. Repeat the layers, finishing with a generous topping of mozzarella and Parmesan. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes until golden and bubbling. When it's ready, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh arugula and the remaining pine nuts for a peppery crunch. Here's a tip: if you're short on fresh herbs, dried thyme and rosemary work too. Just use half the amount. Serve with a crisp salad or enjoy on its own. It's a showstopper either way. Je vous embrasse!